What's the meaning of Colwyn Bay? Colwyn Bay. Colwyn Bay.
Colwyn Bay. Colwyn Bay. Colwyn Bay is a town located on the north coast of Wales. The name Colwyn comes from the Welsh words col meaning narrow and wyn meaning light, reflecting the town's location between the sea and the Ararai Mountains. Over the years, Colwyn Bay has been known for its seaside resorts, including its Victorian Pier, which stood until 2018 when it was demolished due to safety concerns. Today, the town is home to a variety of shops, restaurants, and attractions, as well as a popular beach and promenade.